Hi, how is the last question? Pretty tough, right? Okay, now we will solve the second question. Using divisibility test to determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4, by 5. Now what they are asking is, we should use the divisibility test and we should tell these given numbers, this A, B, C, D, okay, and so on, whether these are divisible by 4 or 4 and divisible by 8 are not separately. Okay, now first we will check for the divisibility by 4. Okay, what is the condition for divisibility by 4? Try to remember what is the condition for that it should be divisible by 4. Already we have seen big table. See, you take the last two digits of a number, and see whether that two digits is divisible by 4 or not. Okay, now coming to here 72, 4 into 18 is equals to 72. If you want, you can check. So it is divisible by 4. Yes, it is divisible by 4. Why? Because 4 into 18 is equals to 72, which means 72 can divide 4. Okay, next same last two digits by 4. 52, 4 into 10 is equals to 40, 4 into 11 44, 4 into 12 48, 4 into 13 52. So in the 4 table you are getting this 52, which means it is divisible by 4. Yes, means the last two digits should come in the table 4. Okay, then we can say it is divisible. Okay, now 0 0, last two digits, whether it comes in 4 table or not. How to check? Is 4 into 25 is equals to 100. Okay, then in 100 there is last two digits, right? So it is obviously divisible by 4. By 4, answer will be yes. If you want, you can cross check also, like 4 5 5 0 0, you divide 4 1 is equals to 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, you bring this 5 and 4 3s are 12, remainder will be 3, you bring down these two zeros. Okay, then okay, I think here space is not there. Okay, if I write it anywhere you will become confusing. Okay, I will explain it here. 4 5 5 0 0, ones are 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, and bring down 5 here, 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, so remainder will be 3, you bring down these two zeros here, or 1 0 as for time instance, then 30, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 7s are 28, so remainder will be 2, you bring down this 0, so 4 5s are 20, so remainder is 0, right? Remainder 0 coming or not? Yes. Okay, that is how I don't have place here, that's why I need to write there. Okay, apart from that, so this is yes. Two zeros blindly you can write. Yes, here 59, 4 10s are 40, 11s are 44, 12s are 48, 4 into 13 52, 4 into 14 56, 4 into 15 60, but here 59, so by 4 it is no. By 4 it is no. Very easy, right? Then this is homework. This seems to be a big number, but no matter, we want only these two digits. 72 is absolutely divisible by 4. Why? Because 4 into 18 equal to 72. By 4 it is yes. This is homework. Here 50. By 4 it is no. Why? Because 4 into 10 40, 11 44, 4 into 12 48, 4 into 13 52. So 50 is not coming. So it is no. Here what is the homework? This and this, right? This also. Okay. Now by 8. There comes the tough part. By 8 also you do homework. This also you do homework by 8. If I ask you to do this 8 homework, you will not do. Maybe I will only do. Okay. So 3 homework for you. Remaining I will manage. Okay. Now divisible by 8 condition. What is the divisible by 8? You take the 3 numbers and see whether it is divisible by 8 or not. Okay. So 8 we need to do some struggle. No problem. We will do. Take the first number 572. 572. We need to divide this number by normal division. Some people will write like this and write numbers here. Some people will write like this. Anything is same. Okay. 8 6 are 48. 8 7s are 56. I guess. And do subtraction. 7 minus 1 6 is 1. 5 minus 5 0. So bring down this 2 here. So 12. 8 1s are 8. So remainder 4. Remainder 4 is coming. So it is not divisible by 8. So the answer will be no. Okay. Then by 8. See, here we are having 7,26,352. But only thing we bother is last 3 digits. That is 352. Last 3. 352. 352 divided by 8. 8 4s are 32. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. Bring down this 2. Again 8 4s are 32. You see the magic? 0 is coming, which means it is divisible by 8. So this number a big yes. Cheers. It is divisible by 8. Now this one by 8. Last 3 digits is 500. We'll check for 500. 8 6 are 48 and remainder is 2. 8 2s are 16. Remainder is 4. Remainder is 4, which means 500 is not divisible. So it is not divisible by 8. Here last 3 digits is 0. This thing also I am giving you homework. You work here. Then only you will get idea. Okay. You should tell whether the 6000 is divisible by 8 or not. Okay. By 8 or not. This you need to do as homework. Why? Because here last 3 digits are 0, which is the concept which I didn't teach you till now. Okay. When you encounter these kind of questions, your brain starts thinking, "Arey, what is the solution? What is the solution?" Then you will come in the right path. Wantedly I am giving you this as a homework. You must do. Okay. Now 159. 159 we try to divide by 8. 1s are 8. You do minus. It will be 7. 79. 9s are 72. Remainder will be 7. Which is not divisible. So by 8 it is no. Do my handwriting look ugly? Forgive me. In the meanwhile, I'll manage somehow. But try to cope up with me, okay? Here handwriting is not that much important, I guess. But sure, I will definitely change it. But beyond that, the concept is important. That you need to catch, okay? So anyway, this is homework. This is homework. Yeah, our big man came. Last 3 digits, it is 072. 072 means 72. Obviously 8 into 9 equal to 72. By looking into that, we can say by 8 it is obviously yes. 8 9 is 72. So this number must be divisible by 8. This is homework I given. This is 150. 150, you just see 8 into 19 equal to 152. 8 into 19. 8 into 19 equal to 152. Why? Because 8 into 20 equal to 160. So 8 into 18 should be equal to 152 minus 8. How much? 144. 144. I guess so. Okay. Yeah. Now you see 150 should come after 144, but after 144, 152 is there. So by 8, it definitely no. A big no. Okay. These tables and all definitely you will get as fast as which I am doing. You can do much more faster than me. Only the thing is a little practice. Okay. Then obviously it is a cakewalk for you. You have understood this question completely, 100%. See, the time I invested in making the videos, okay, I will be happier when I see these blanks are filled in the comment section. Okay, these blanks, the things which I am giving as a homework, you need to work out the answer. You need to post in the comment section. After seeing that answers, I will be really happy, because I want you to learn maths. Okay, I am teaching you maths. You should learn maths. Okay, why? Because you are living every work. Okay, you are not seeing any television, not playing any game, not talking to friends. You are not doing anything at this moment. Just sitting in front of the computer or laptop, or you are watching in the mobile. You are watching my videos. Means you are giving your time, means some part of your life. I am also giving some part of my life by teaching these videos. So when we both are sacrificing this much, the output should be extraordinary. Means you should able to solve these problems within no time. That is what my objective. You should be successful. Okay. um, Okay, regarding success, we will talk about it later in some point of time, other videos. Meanwhile, keep practicing. Okay, thank you.